Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is lesson 2 of week 3, mathematics grade 6. So this lesson is about 2B exercise and the topic is multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. When you multiply anything like that, 85 multiplied by 10, just multiply this 85 by 1, so it will become 85. And how many 0 are there? 1 0, so write 1 0. So this will be the answer. 85 multiplied by 10, 850. If here is 100, so just multiply this 85 by 1, it will be 85. And how many zeros are there? You can write these 0. And if we write 27 by 4000, so just multiply 27 by 4. 27 multiplied by 4 equal 108. And how many zeros are there? 3 0. So write these 3 0 here. This will be the answer. This is the simple way. So you can multiply these big values in a simple and quick way. Example, 42 multiplied by 900. So just multiply 42 by 9. When you multiply 42 by 9, it will become 378. So write this 378 here. And how many zeros are there? 2 0. Write 2 0. So it will become 37,800 answer. Okay, next. For example, here question number 6, question number 7, exercise 2B. 82 multiplied by 300. Just multiply 82 by 3. It will become 6, 246. 246. And how many 0? 2 0. Write these 2 0 here. So this will be the answer. And the next, like 350 multiplied by 200. Just multiply 35 to 2. It will become 70. How many zeros are there? 3 0. Write these 3 0 here. So this will be the answer. One more question. For example, the last question. You can do it 270 multiplied by 200. This question number 22. Just multiply 27 by 2. It will become 54. And how many zeros are there? 3 0. So write these 3 0. 54,000 would be the answer. This is the simple way. That was the lesson of week 3, lesson 2, grade 6. Okay, see you inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.